spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Guys, can we all be in agreement? Sivumelane without a doubt that Pinky's mother-in-law needs Christ. Ukuthi Pinky's mother-in-law needs Jesus uqobo lwakhe because wow. Pinky's mom is naughty, guys. Pinky's mom, like Ushan, you can see ukuthi he cannot even take his woman's side. He cannot even say, no, but mama, you are bullying. Like already you were saying ukuthi Pinky wa jola just by coming back at night and you don't know what Pinky has. Like, guys, what is wrong with women and cutting the umbilical cord? Because at this point, mother-in-laws, she must get arrested. Yo, did you guys see? But the sisters, though, you Pinky's sisters, guys, Pinky, like they are fighting, they are ready, they are telling that woman where to get off, they are dealing with the family accordingly. And Wabona Pinky is just trying not to be super rude and tell them the truth to their faces so that at least she can still be welcomed and still be part of the family. But her siblings are standing in the gap. Guys, if there are any men listening to this, if your mother is like that, mama, be like this, yes, it's fine, but be like this, Emma Konen, not during the people. Ooh, like she knows everything. She's even saying, Gusi, like she closed her womb or did whatever surgery that does not allow her to get pregnant or whatsoever. But if she did not undergo that surgery, she would get pregnant on behalf of Pinky. So she would literally carry her son's child. This woman, she would be her son's surrogate. The way she is so attached, she would be dictating to Pinky and reminding Pinky, I carried this child for 9 months when your only thing here is the egg. It's your egg. And both our DNA are in this child, but me now as the one that is pregnant, and show the child that this is the evidence you were conceived like this. Kaizini. Angeke. Nganele. Hayi nganele, it's true. Hayi nganele. But when I get on talk, like, share, and subscribe.